Ooh, it's always nice when you get stuff from the mail. Stainless front brake lines from Condor Speed Shop. And I also got some stainless clutch lines. So I already have the driver's side brake installed. We're gonna do the passenger side real quick and then install these lines. So before I install this caliper onto the car, I'm gonna install the stainless line on the table. Alright, looks good. Let's go down there and let's turn the wheel. Forgot we need to clean the rotor. It's been sitting for a while.
You think I'm scared of death? I've done it a million times.
So you saw me get the caliper back on, retainer clips back on as well. So now we just got to feed a line through the back of the BC coil racing, or BC racing coilover. Hook this up to the bottom one. Yep, it's the bottom one, and then the speed sensor is on the top. Do that real quick. So guys, all the brakes are done on all four. So now I gotta bleed the lines and bleed the line for the clutch, since I put a new transmission in there with a new clutch and all that stuff. So that needs to be bled. I don't have anybody to help me, so I bought a brake pressure system. This is the one where you could do by yourself. I got all the parts here. That's the cap for the reservoir. E36 do share the same reservoir. Brakes and clutch has the same reservoir, which is right there if you didn't know. So if you don't know how this works, it's pretty simple. You put your fluid in here, which is DOT4. Put the cap on, hook it up, pump it up to 20 psi, and then start from the back, which this is the furthest one, which is the passenger rear. Then go to the driver's side rear. Then I'm going to the clutch. Then I'm going to the passenger side front brakes. And last would be the driver's side brake. So let's get started.
You think I'm scared of death? I've done it a million times.
So I pumped it up to, what is that, like 13 psi. I just want to see if I have any leaks, and it's holding, so that means I don't have any leaks. One thing I do want to mention about these caps, that gets hooked onto this part and this. The threads are very, very sensitive to like going sideways, so just be careful with that. So I don't want to replace that quite yet. But yeah, so now just gotta go do this one. I'm going to break the bleeder on this one and then do the other one. I'm gonna show you guys once I get up to here. I'm gonna show you how to do it on the passenger side. I also want to mention that I took this green thing out of the reservoir. I think it's just for the level. I don't know if that's gonna affect anything, but why not? So here's my setup. Got a line into an empty oil bottle. Just gonna crack this line and see what happens. Getting fluid, getting some air bubbles. About 5 seconds there. Hold it for a bit. Do another 5 seconds. You can see some air bubble there. Alright, I'm just gonna keep doing this another 20 times and then move on to the driver's side. So guys, we're underneath the car right now. I'm just showing you where the clutch slave is, which is right there. We are on the driver's side, just to let you know. So that's my setup. So let's bleed it. I'm hoping you guys can see this is a great example of the lines bleeding out air. So let's crack it and see what we get. Alright, I'm gonna just keep doing this for a while until I stop seeing air coming out and do the driver's side, and this will be it. So guys, I'm done bleeding the system. Pretty happy with the result. Obviously, I'm the only one here, so I didn't have any help, so this was handy. Just want to show you guys something pretty cool. I'm still under pressure. This is how you release it. Hopefully it sucks some more air out from the top. I'm gonna go ahead and check out this part. Little lever there. Just do this for right now. Here's that attachment. No glove gang. I'm gonna have to wash my hand very good. Yeah, this thing is pretty full. I'm gonna have to... Oh, no, I think I could put a little bit more in there. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. So all the stuff you see right here that's missing, that's the next video, guys. Well, we'll see you guys later. Thank you.